Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. Happy weekend to you all. So today I'll be mixing these two powerful hair grease together. Here I have my jojoba oil, I have my castor oil, I have my vitamin E and safflower oil. So I also have my Indian hemp seed oil. So I have my germ oil, I have my aloe vera and bamboo DIY oil. So now this is all the oil I will be using today to mix this powerful hair grease together. So if you don't have this product, guys, just go and get it, okay? So this is Africa best super grow. So you can say they have this kind of herbals that you can see those little things they have house, so they just put it inside to make the product more effective. So I'm just going to scoop out about 3 little of my spatula. So we are mixing it today with the blue magic super short growth. So they have something in common, which is this herbal things that you can see inside the product. So they are both super short growth, so I decided to just mix them together so that they can contribute their strength that they can contribute their strength and their benefits in one place. You can imagine how this is going to work on my hair. So after putting everything together, I'm just going to mix and combine the oil and the grease together. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I really do appreciate you all. If you are new to my channel, you just saw my video on YouTube and you decide to click and watch, thank you so much for clicking. And if you like this video, consider subscribing, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. So now after mixing the grease together, this is how it's looking like now. So this is how it's looking like now. As you can see, it's not that thick because there's a lot of oil. So that this is just how I want it to be. This is how I want the consistency to be. So if you want yours to be more thicker, that means you are going to add more grease to this, okay? So if you just want it to be this way, then this is just the perfect consistency for you as well. So now after everything, I'm just going to transfer it to my empty container, empty bottle. So I'm going to transfer everything to empty bottle. So if you have container, open container, you can just still put it there. It's not going to kind of solid, it's just going to remain like this because the weather is very hot now. So I'm just trying to make sure that I get everything out of this bowl. As you can see me do right here. So guys, this product is super good for hair growth. If you really want to grow your hair out, you should try mixing these two together with the oil that I use. Just try get them if you don't have them already, and try to mix this together. You are going to really love it. So this is how the grease and the oils they are looking like now. So this is just the perfect, well made, well combined together hair grease and oil that can really contribute to hair grow really fast. So now I just wash my hair, so I'm going to be showing you how I will be using it. First of all, I'm going to part my hair into 4 places. So now I just take a little portion and then I spray in some water. So I'm just going to add the grease. Today I will not be using leave-in conditioner or moisturizer. So if you want, you can also use a moisturizer or a leave-in conditioner with this. So today I just decided to just use it on the oil without anything, just water and the grease together. So now I'm just going to rub it to my hand, my palm together, then I will rub it on my hair. So today I will not be greasing my scalp too much. So if you feel that your scalp is really dry, then you have to use this product on your scalp as well. So I'm just going to work it into my hair shaft and very well massage it into my hair. Then I will just comb to distribute the product to my hair very well. So guys, now I'm almost done twisting my hair. So this grease together is a must try for everyone that want to try to grow out their hair, because the oil inside that I mix together plus the grease, they are really super powerful, that can really boost your hair growth from 0 level to 100 level. Guys, this is not a joke. Just try and make this. Try to use the oil that I use. I will leave all the oils and the grease at the description box below, just in case you did not catch it. I will just leave it at the description box below. So just go and try it out, because all those oil are good for hair growth. They can prevent if any unwanted thing to enter your hair. They can promote hair growth. They can prevent dandruff. They can prevent breakage and shedding. There are a lot of benefit that this oil and grease can really give to your hair. Just go and make this hair grease, mix it together, use the oil that I use, and you are going to like it. So this is how my hair is looking like. I'm just trying to make this big because I'm really tired of making hair, so I just want to make it big. I just put it on protective style. It doesn't really matter whether it's big or small. So we come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will do the rest of camera. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Bye bye. Happy weekend. Stay safe.